On Thursday, May 25th, Auburn Career Center welcomed the arrival of a cutting-edge 5-axis CNC mill for its advanced manufacturing lab, made possible through funding secured by the Alliance for Working Together, AWT Foundation, via the EDA Good Jobs Challenge grant.
We are in front of our 5-axis Haas machine that we are so fortunate to have due to our partnership with the Alliance for Working Together, AWT, and this opportunity sets our students apart. They have the opportunity to work on one of the most important machines in the manufacturing industry. Our students as seniors are going to be able to utilize this. Our adults are going to be able to come back and get trained and be able to use this machine.
Very fortunate to get to use this type of equipment. It's not very common at a lot of tech schools, so very fortunate to have this piece of equipment here.
We're very excited to pick up this new piece of equipment. It's a 5-axis mill, so we can do a lot more exotic parts that automation is out there at all these industries, and this is exciting because not too often in the tech setting do you have students learning on this type of equipment. They're going to understand what the 4th and 5th axis is, and they'll be ready for the job site.
We couldn't have done it without AWT and all the outstanding folks that are there, and everybody really working together to improve our opportunities in manufacturing and grow our workforce in our region.